Welcome to Hope Decorating Ideas. Today, we are diving into the cozy and inviting world of farmhouse living room ideas, where rustic charm meets modern comfort. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat for relaxation or a welcoming space for entertaining guests, I have got a plethora of ideas to help you transform your living room into a charming farmhouse haven. Let's start our journey with the heart of the farmhouse, the focal point. Farmhouse living rooms often feature a central focal point that anchors the space and sets the tone for the rest of the room. Consider incorporating a statement fireplace with a rustic mantel or reclaimed wood accent wall, or a large picture window with a scenic view for a cozy and inviting focal point that draws the eye and adds character to your living room. Now, let's talk about the allure of farmhouse inspired furniture. Farmhouse furniture is all about blending comfort with style, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels lived in and welcoming. Moving on to the importance of natural materials. Farmhouse living rooms often feature natural materials like wood, stone, and metal that add warmth and texture to your space. Consider incorporating exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood accents, or stone fireplace surrounds for a rustic and authentic farmhouse feel. Now, let's explore the beauty of farmhouse inspired decor. Farmhouse decor is all about celebrating the beauty of simple living and natural elements. Consider incorporating elements like vintage signs, botanical prints, and rustic accents for a charming and nostalgic vibe. Add fresh flowers, greenery, and woven baskets for a touch of natural beauty and texture. And don't forget to personalize your space with family photos, heirlooms, and cherished mementos for a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels like home. Now, let's discuss the beauty of farmhouse inspired color palettes. Farmhouse living rooms often feature soft and muted color palettes inspired by nature and the countryside. Consider incorporating colors like soft whites, creamy neutrals, and warm earth tones for a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels calm and serene. Add pops of color with accent pieces like throw pillows, area rugs, and artwork for added interest and personality. And don't forget to mix in natural textures like linen, wool, and cotton for a layered and inviting look that feels effortlessly chic. Moving on to the trend of farmhouse inspired shelving and storage. Farmhouse living rooms often feature open shelving and storage solutions that add both style and functionality to the space. Consider incorporating built-in bookcases, ladder shelves, or floating shelves for displaying books, artwork, and decorative accents. Add woven baskets, wooden crates, and galvanized metal bins for storing blankets, pillows, and other essentials. And don't forget to personalize your shelves with family photos, plants, and other meaningful items for a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels uniquely yours. Now, let's talk about the importance of cozy seating areas. Farmhouse living rooms are all about creating comfortable and inviting space for lounging and entertaining. Consider incorporating a mix of seating options like oversized sofas, plush armchairs, and cozy benches for a relaxed and casual vibe. Add soft cushions, throw blankets, and accent pillows for added comfort and style. And don't forget to arrange your seating around a central focal point like fireplace or coffee table for a cozy and inviting atmosphere that encourages conversation and relaxation. As we continue our journey through these farmhouse living room ideas, remember that the key is to create a space that reflects your personality, style, and lifestyle. Whether you're drawn to rustic furniture, natural materials, farmhouse decor, cozy lighting, farmhouse inspired color palettes, shelving and storage solutions, or cozy seating areas, there's a farmhouse living room idea waiting to elevate your space. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy decorating. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.